I've always hated undershirts until I made my own. Casper, undershirts is something grandpas wear. Then your grandpa is a smart man. Let me show you guys the tech. This is a 3-layer armpit construction that can hold 2 liters of sweat. It's very smart to sweat into your undershirt instead of into your very expensive cotton shirt every time you go for a bike ride. 3.8 days. That's how long our 124,000 customers wear this undershirt on average, without smelling and without washing it. Alright, let's talk about fit. Here it is from the back, from the front, from the side, and I know, oh my god, it looks so unsexy. It's tight and it has a deep neckline because it's supposed to be invisible under a shirt, and it feels like wearing nothing at all. Anyway, moving on. 3 of my favorite features of the undershirt. Number 1 is antibacterial. It's antibacterial and it's antibacterial. I really love not smelling. You can ask anyone about this, especially the shorties. Let's get into the material. This is made out of cotton together with lyocell, which is made from the eucalyptus plant. It's hard to think of any fabric that could be more soft and more comfy than this one. Lastly, it comes in at 39 euros. It has a 1-year performance guarantee, and yeah, I think that was it. Yeah? Good. Have a fresh day.